Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on your studio for the today I have a new home for you that I want to install with you. This is Deluxe home. Let's install it. Under this video you can download this home and install on a Samsung Galaxy S8 S8 Plus, and as you can see this is my Note 8. Let's do it. Okay, like, subscribe and share and get ready for that. Already, let's do it. Look at that. Amazing phone. Amazing phone. Yesterday, I make a video to show you how to install this ROM. This ROM is what? At this ROM 1 new version 9. You can watch the video that I make with to install this on the end of this video, July 1st, 2019. Security part level. Now, get ready to install this beautiful new one also, Deluxe 16. Copy this ROM into, if you are done on the video, the link is here. And if it's done, let's go to the TWRP. Let's do it. Okay, now hold Fit-Add, busy button, volume up, and power button to access to TWRP on the first link under this video. On the description, you will see how to do this. PC button, volume up, and power button at the same time. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you. This is Team Win. Now, click on Web, Advanced Web 1, 2, 3, and do this like that, and do this. Validate here. Now, click on Install. Select Storage, enter storage where you are copy your ROM. Go down. This is Deluxe ROM 16. Do this. Wonderful, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, now let's go to the configuration. Look at that. 31. Okay, thank you. This ROM is compatible also with the Note 8, the S8 and S8 Plus, as you can see, only for these 3 devices. Now let's go. Do this next. Magic to root. Next again. Wonderful. Next. Add BSB application. Install Edge support. Why not? Remove this. No. Install stock version. Thank you. Okay. Deluxe. Gmail. YouTube. Map. Now go. All of application what you want to install in front of you, and now you are ready. Thank you. As you can see, the process is here. Wait a few minutes for finishing. As you can see, your phone will start automatically and the LED is enabled. Wait a few minutes for finishing also. Wow, amazing. Okay, as you can see, the installation of your application started. Please wait a few minutes again and get ready. Wonderful. Okay, almost finished. Look at. Great. Now you can configure your beautiful phone. Choose your language. Okay. Next.
Look at the terms and conditions.
And let me do the configuration right now. Let's do it. We are set. Finish. Done. And welcome on your ROM. Basic beautiful ROM. For you, ooh, big icons for you also. This is so great. It's so very great. What do you think? Nice. Add screen. Great. Look at that. Deluxe ROM 16. Wonderful. Okay, great. Settings. Look at that. Deluxe ROM settings directly here to configure your ROM and do what you want. Change the name, its name and number. Wonderful. But sort of motion. Android security patch level. July 1st, 2019. And this is great. This is amazing. Okay, camera open to test. Cancel settings. Okay, beautiful. Scan QR codes. Great. Wonderful. What is face? Look at that. Okay, this is great. With the new this is the update of Android 9. Okay, Android 9 P. Great. It's so fast and it's not bad. Beautiful. This is a ROM. Beautiful stop ROM. I like it. Home screen. Nice. And it's great. Thank you. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And get ready for the next video.